Welcome to Megan's World. Hi guys! So today I'm doing a crazy candy challenge. So this is the candy, this is the syrup, and this is the honey. I'm just gonna try both. Let's open the candy up. So I'm gonna pour it here. This is a lot of candy. Yay, and now I'm gonna put the syrup. Now the honey. So first, I'm gonna draw the fish. Okay, now it's time to stick. So, get one of the candy. I sticked it on. I sticked the honey on. Maybe I should do a little bit of the syrup too. Stick. Oh, okay. Maybe let's let that fall. I used the honey, so maybe the honey made it like go on. Okay, let's do one of the big ones. Now I'm just always gonna do the honey, because the honey makes it. Oh no! Ah! I got my hands inside the honey! This one's gonna fall as well. Oh no! I get stuck to my hand. Let's wipe it. Wipe, 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 wipe. I just made up that sound. Oh! It keeps falling down. Why does it keep falling down, guys? Is it the slippers or... I thought one of them has to make one of them stick. Maybe I just have to let some time for it to stick. I don't want my hands to get messy, but now it is getting messy.
Sorry.
Okay, this is gonna get harder and harder and harder and harder and harder. What? It's coming out great. Oh no. So, it was so hard to stick it, but I think I tried my best. This looks good enough that I can do. I'm gonna do a couple more and then I'm gonna be done. Actually, no, I think I wanna be done with the cup. One more stuff. So I'm so excited to be done because this was hard, but I think I'm getting the hang of it. So now, I think I know what to do. If I want to draw, I'm just going to do this because it looks like a fun activity. And it was. Because how do you glue candy down with glue? I think that's not going to work. So you need honey or you just need syrup. Syrup is not going to work, I think, but you can try it. Let's see if syrup's going to work actually. Where's syrup? Syrup's over here somewhere. Yeah, this smells like syrup. That mixed with something. Yeah, syrup doesn't work. Okay, one more and then I'm done. My hand is turning into monster hands. It fell everywhere. Creative mess. Show me some of the team. I'm done. Look at my fish. It looks great, right? I love all the candy on it. It looks colorful. So guys, thank you for watching. Bye!